Today we are going to fix the problem of no internet secured. The first message that usually appears is no internet secured. This happens when you try to connect to Wi-Fi or the internet in general on your computer, whether it's Windows 10 or Windows 11. We will fix this issue using 4 simple and effective methods, and this will completely solve the problem. So if this is your first time watching me, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell set to all so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And also, don't forget to support us with a like on the video. Method 1. Disable the option IPv6 from your network adapter, because this option often causes the no internet secured problem, so you must turn it off. All you need to do is open Control Panel. If the icons look different, click here and select Category. Then go to Network and Internet. Next, choose Network and Sharing Center. From here, click on Change Adapter Settings. Now, right-click on the connection, Ethernet, then select Properties. Look for Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6, and uncheck it. Then click OK, and restart your computer. The problem should be solved. If not, repeat the same steps for the Wi-Fi adapter and make sure IPv6 is unchecked. Method 2. This one is very easy. It's updating the driver for your network adapter. Sometimes the problem happens because of outdated drivers. So here are the steps. Open Control Panel. Select Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. From here, click on Change Adapter Settings and make sure your Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter is updated. Now, how to update it? Open Device Manager. Search for it from here, and then open Network Adapters. Right-click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter. Usually it will look similar to what you see here. Then choose Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer, then Let Me Pick, then Next, and test the update. After that, restart your computer and check your internet again. Hopefully the problem will be fixed. Method 3. This is one of the most effective solutions, resetting the network using CMD. All you need to do is open CMD as administrator. Now type these commands in order: netsh winsock reset catalog. Then press enter. This will reset your Wi-Fi network. Next, type netsh int IPv4 reset.log. This command is also on the screen and in the description. Press enter. Finally, type exit. After that, restart your computer. It's very important to restart after every step so the changes can apply. Method 4. Another effective way is to uninstall and reinstall the Wi-Fi driver automatically. Open Device Manager, right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter, then choose Uninstall Device. Now restart your computer. Windows will reinstall the driver automatically in the correct way. If not, click on Scan for hardware changes, and it will reinstall the drivers properly. And with that, we have explained 4 methods to fix the no internet secured error on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Try these methods one by one until you find the one that works for you. Finally, if this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will reply as soon as possible.